Birds demonstrate incredible creativity when building their nests. For example, the weaver bird intricately weaves grass and twigs to create beautiful hanging nests. Notably, the bald eagle constructs sturdy nests that can weigh over a ton, built with strong branches, and located high in trees for safety. Meanwhile, the tiny hummingbird's nests are marvels of engineering, made from spider silk and plant materials, making them incredibly lightweight yet durable. Each bird species has adapted its nesting techniques to suit its environment, revealing the fascinating relationship between architecture and survival in the wild.